Hey, good afternoon, traders, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at MGM Resorts International, and the ticker symbol is MGM. And I want to show you kind of what I'm seeing on the charts. This one's going to be a real quick analysis. We're going into earnings next week, actually on Wednesday. So I believe that's the Fed decision day as well. So here's what I'm seeing on MGM. We have this nice impulse move down. We have this broadening descending wedge. And then we have this clear-cut pivot low, move up into the 150-day, gets rejected, builds this bearish consolidation and this bear flag. Then it rips from there, retests, and we're on our way up to the very top of this resistance line. We break through it. Here, let's zoom in a little bit. So we have this nice impulsive move, create this bull flag, essentially bullish consolidation on the top of the resistance line. Love, love, love. Love seeing these. So what do we have here? We have a breakout, then we have a rejection back in, then we close above it. We don't get confirmation the next day, we get it the following day. Once that's confirmed, we have some consolidation. It hugs this quite well, goes through the 9 MA, moving average, into the 20, and bounces perfectly off the 20. Look at that. Bounces up, goes up, again, has a nice confirming candle, then comes back down, tests the 20-day, then the same thing. Opens here and closes today beautifully. Let's look at the weekly chart on this. And let's make sure we have confirmation on the weekly. Okay, so check this out, guys. We don't have confirmation on the weekly yet. We have the breakthrough here. We have the back test, but we do not have a confirming move on the weekly. So that sets us up for, here's the 150-day on the weekly chart. You can see we would have needed to have a candle close above that. We did not. We have a wick that goes through it. So we have confirmation on the daily by virtue of this candle here. And then again, this candle, so you have like a double confirmation, and you have this bullish consolidation on the top. But we do not have it on the weekly. So I would love to see it on the weekly chart going into earnings. But RSI looks good. It's curled back up. So we'll see what we get. I like the buy accumulation candles here. Looking good. On the weekly, we have this moving band average trending up, so we would definitely get some support as this comes up. But yeah, I like this for a potential breakout on earnings. Obviously, anything can happen on earnings, but it's set up quite nicely going into them. So like I said, pretty quick TA on this one. Just wanted to put this one on your radar. I'm going to be watching it closely. But again, what we're looking for is a confirming move above this on the weekly, and that's likely going to happen hopefully with good earnings next week. And then where will this go? Well, let's take a measured move on this. So let me grab the measuring tool, and the way we measure it is from the lowest point to the highest point of the descending wedge and from the breakout. So let's see, we have a price target, a high price target, obviously, of 52. Okay, so what does that put us at? It puts us, wow, look at that. Look at that confluence. That's so cool. I love when we see stuff like that. So check that out. Puts us right above, is that an all-time high? I believe it is. Yeah. So that puts us right above the all-time high at a triple top. So if that likely happens, we'll probably get a pullback. So that is a great take profit level. A couple other potential take profit levels along the way, obviously, are going to be these pivot tops here. So you have that one. You have, let's see, we'll probably go for that range here. Yeah, right there in the middle. So you have this one, and you have, so you really kind of have 4, I would say. That's the way I would play it. So if I do get into this next week, I'd probably do something like that. Take profit number 1. That doesn't give you a whole lot. It gives you about, what, 3, let's see, on a 38, it gives you roughly 6%. So I'd probably wait. I'm going to take that one off. I'd like a little bit more. This would probably give you almost about 10% there. So that would be nice. Second take profit at 47, and then your final take profit at triple top. So yeah, guys, that's kind of how I'm seeing it on the daily chart. Let's look at that RSI. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It's primed. Look, stochastics turn back over. They are trending up. You're right into this high volume node right here. So once this goes, yeah, you got clear selling right up to that. Look at that. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah, we probably go straight up there. That'd be a nice little move. And look at this, you don't have a lot of volume on that. So once we get above this high volume node, look how sparse it is as we go back up. Interesting. Yeah, so if we could get above this and confirm, we'd probably easily attack the 4261 and then all the way up to triple top. Really like it, or not triple top. That would give us the 47. Let's see, once we get up into there. Yeah, oh, so we do have some. I just had to move it, guys. Yeah, so that would definitely be the area you want to take profit right in here. I had to move the visible range up. I didn't see it. So there you go. So you would definitely have, that's definitely the point of control right there. You're going to want to sell into that. So, but yeah, like I said, RSI is looking great for a nice move into the first take profit and then second take profit. All right, guys. Well, that's all I got for you. MGM looks like a winner, but anything's possible on earnings. So do your due diligence. And as always, I offer this technical analysis as educational only, no financial advice ever given, and to show you what I'm doing with my personal trading portfolio and how I'm seeing the charts. So hopefully you liked this analysis today. If you did, show some love, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for sure. You'll get these notifications in real time, opportunities as I see them. I completely vet them. I use my scanners, but then I do obviously this level of technical analysis to ensure that we are getting into the right trade at the right time and making money along the way, guys. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.